Abahinji b'emondi omuri Kisoro obwa hati nibagamba omwangi bwa nyuma y'okutunga amakuru garikworeka ngu emondi zaabo hati niziija kutiibwa aha mutindo gw'ahaiguru. Josephat Byaruhanga ori senior police officer w'ebyobuhingi nagira ngu ogu n'omugisha muhango ahabw'ekyanga kya Kigezi okugira ikorero ry'emondi ekiriije kwongyera aha mutindo gw'emondi.
Nitwe nitwenda ngu twongere amaani omu kuhinga emondi ahakuba nitukimanya nk'ekintu kikuru ekiri kubaasa kuyamba abantu bitu ba Kigezi na Kisoro yoona gikwatirinemu omu kwongyera aha mutindo gwabo kandi n'aha sente entaasa y'omuka.
Josephat ashabira abahingi b'emondi muri Kigezi okutaha amaani omu kuhinga emondi okugira ngu basharuure nyingi.
Egyo opportunity kiriho tekashishikaire konka mukama waayo ashemere kutandika kutamwa amagezi ari kukwasikanya nitwe kandi nitwe haribi turimo kugezaho kupulaninga kugira ngo ubundi twakwatana na factory egi yagira eki yatandika kukoraho.
Omwe aha batandikireho Holland Fair Foods Limited muri Musanze omu ihanga rya Rwanda akwatanise na Tom Mugenga nagira ngu biine amasiko ko biine akatare k'emondi na n'ebirarugemu.
I always like to do the industry nearby where the magic happens. So the magic for me is then the potatoes in this region. So I think Tom made a very good decision to put the factory in the middle of the potato region. In Uganda we know this is the best place for potatoes. So that's also why I'm now together with Tom to find the best way of further investing in this company.
Tom Mugenga nagira ngu amazuru gwiraro kwenda ba investor kumukwatiraho kugira ngo akayamba abanyakisoro. Nagira ngo kutandikaho factory egi hagenderire kuhera abantu okutunga entasya babejumbira mu kuhinga emondi kandi bakwatanise nawe.
I went to the bank alone, me and my wife. I built this factory on my land, not even government land. I don't know why people are interested in talking about Tom is bad.
We are here basically by accident because we're making a trip through the western part of Uganda to visit several of the projects. So we thought when we're in Kisoro we have to pass by the potato factory here. I've been hearing stories about the factory for many years. It has been funded and established with Dutch tax money.
Gasha kwa keta tuzalirwe.